In this video, I'm gonna show you how we made $245, as you can see over here, just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, and as you can see in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so in today's video, guys, I'm gonna share with you which affiliate links you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, so let's get started. So first, for people who are new to this business and you want to start as beginners, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by user, email address. The sign up process to Fiverr is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you just need to come to this website. Let's scroll down. Let me show you how much you will earn. So if we click over here on see commission, they are really paying high, good commission, guys. Look at this, $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115 from just one person. Okay, so that's really a lot of money. So click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see, and it's really super easy. Anyone can sign up. It will take just a few minutes. Okay, put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions, choose your country and choose your language, put your Skype here, and that's it. If you don't have Skype, just click on next. As you can see, it's really easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so go back to your home page, click on the search over here and search for TikTok. Search for TikTok promotion. So this service will be interesting, and this service is, there are a lot of people are promoting their TikTok account on Pinterest, so they will be interested to use this service to grow their TikTok account. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who have good reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn a commission. Okay, so let's scroll down. I will choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. He has almost 5 stars. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. You will be directly in this profile page. As you can see, what you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So just copy this affiliate link from here and go to Pinterest. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by user, email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Choose business account, not personal account. You need to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, so you need to upload picture about this service. So what you will do, you will go back to the seller page click on his picture, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. Click on save image. I'm gonna name it, for example, TikTok save. Okay, go back to Pinterest, upload your picture here. It's really easy and simple. Okay, open, and here you go. What you need to do, scroll down, put your affiliate link here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. So for title, go back to the seller page, copy his title. Okay, you can copy his title, you are just an affiliate. You can use his title. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile page, scroll down. You should see up over here about this gig. Okay, so copy his description like this. Go to Pinterest, put this description over here, scroll down. You need to choose a board. Okay, so if you are new, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. I already created those 3. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags. Okay, so go back to this seller page, and you need to scroll down like this. So just keep scrolling down. You should see related tags. Okay, so copy those related tags, copy, and go to Pinterest and put those tags over here. Okay, so you should use those tags so you can rank your pin in the first page. Okay, so after you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys, and you will not invest any money. You can just start with $0. Start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest and you will earn commission. As you can see, my affiliate link was published. This is my picture, my affiliate link over here, and my title, description. So people who are interested to grow their TikTok account, if they click on my affiliate link and they buy this service for my affiliate link, I will earn a commission for free without investing any money, just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.